And folks, I'm on the hunt for some ice. And sometimes places have ice, sometimes they don't. But what you gotta do is come back through here. There's no sign out front. But you know what? This is all about asking the locals. Hey, where the hell can I get some ice? Now this is the ice factory over here. Alright. That's the ice factory. But you gotta come over here and say, Ayo! And you gotta find out if there's some ice. Hello! Do you have some ice? Oh no, out of stock, not available. Alright, so we go to the next stop, my friends. Okay, see you tomorrow. Alright, we go to the next stop to try to find some ice. Because here at my ice factory, for some reason, ice is not available. Welcome to the Philippines. That's the difference between Thailand and the Philippines. In the Philippines, you can go to an ice factory and they don't have ice. In Thailand, if you go to an ice factory, they're gonna have fucking ice. That's the way it is. So this is looking down the street. This is looking this way. Right. Alright, my friends, we gotta get some onions and some garlic. And my wife, they love these red onions. I love the red onions too, but I don't care if it's red, yellow, white, whatever. I don't discriminate when it comes to onions. But they do love the red onions. So we got to get some onions. We're going with garlic, and then we got to find some pork and some broccoli, and that's what I'm cooking tonight. And it's like I told my wife, you know, it's all about what I envision for dinner, and people can either love it. That's their option. They got one option: love it. My friends, broccoli in this market, we can't find broccoli. Broccoli is not available. I got to change up my game plan for dinner tonight, but it's okay. I'm down with it. All right, folks, we're over here at the pork station. We got pork over here, but it's chicken over here. Everybody wants pork, but pork's so expensive. We could go with the chicken, but we got chicken wings, but that's not my vision tonight. I was gonna make like noodles and pork. Wait a minute. We're going with chicken or pork?
Chicken.
How am I gonna put this in the wok? You gonna chop it up? You gonna chop this off the bone? All right, folks. So looks like we changed it up to chicken. I was going with pork. Wait, I thought we were going with pork. And my wife here, I don't know if she's got enough money. She ordered this, and I told her to get pork. She don't listen, because you know what? When a Filipino wants to eat chickens, she's gonna order chicken. That's the way it is. All right, my friends, thank you very much. Thank you. All right. We got more pork over here, more chicken over here. All right. Well, it looks like chicken tonight. Shit. And we got fish. Got some fish over here. Maybe tomorrow night we're gonna get some fish. We got a little octopus. All right, tomorrow night we're gonna seafood. All right, folks, I had to come over here and buy some ice because all I had was 1,000. So, folks, I had to go with another bottle of Tanduay. Get 2 bottles of Mountain Dew, and you know, my Filipina and her sister, they love these snacks. So I don't eat snacks. You know what I mean? I eat one time a day. I don't snack. These are from my Filipinas right here. But I got to get the ice. You know what I'm talking about? And this beautiful lady right here, she's scared of the camera. Look at this, be famous. Oh, you be famous on the YouTube.
Exotic.
She's beautiful. She's so exotic, but she's probably married. All these beautiful ladies, they're all married. But this is what I'm going for. I'm going for some snacks, Tanduay, and a Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew. All right, folks, we're out of here. Time to get the tricycle. All right, folks, we We get a tricycle here. Here's a look around all the action that's going on here. All right, this is a small town, but at night, you know, well, during the day, at night till about 7, 8 o'clock, just the action. So this little chariot right here is gonna take me back to my room. I gotta go. All right, folks, back at the crib. Get back at the crib. It's time for this dog to start some cooking. We got somebody next door kicking off a band or some shit. I don't know. We're back on my beach resort right here. And you know what? Today, this is my neighbors in the log cabin. Today, I did do something and I forgot to turn it on. Today, I did replace this light right here, but I forgot to turn it on tonight. It's time to start cooking, folks.